Oh, taste and see. Oh, taste and see.
Glory to Jesus Christ. This is Father Vladimir, and I welcome you back to our online Orthodox cooking show. And I have a wonderful news to share with you. We have recently moved to a different website. Prior to yesterday, we occupied a subdomain on our main website for our church. But I have decided to move our cooking show completely to a different domain, a different website. So now we can be found at orthodoxcooking.com. There should be somewhere in the bottom of the video, there should be a description with the address, and of course in the description of the video we will have a direct link to our website. So if you are subscribed to us on YouTube or follow us on Facebook, nothing really has changed for you. We just moved to a different website, but we will continue with the show on YouTube. And of course, if you follow us on Facebook, you will be notified whenever there is a new episode. So thank you for being our subscriber, and we will be resuming our regular show starting sometime tomorrow.